Hey everyone, Eli here at Deep Discounts Club. Today we're bringing a look at this queen platform bed frame. Here is the box that the bed frame comes in. Here are the pieces that have been removed from the box. Here are all the pieces. As you can see, we've got several rods, several parts of the frame that hold the slats. We've got the slats themselves, some smaller pieces, all the hardware, the nuts and the bolts. We've got assembly instructions. We've got the headboard and footboard pieces right there. So it comes with all the tools you need to get this thing done. I am currently working on the headboard right here. I have my own driver. There is the completed headboard. There is the footboard. It's very similar in the way that it's done. You can see the bolts right there that I put on either side. And here I am attaching the side rails to the headboard and footboard. There is what it looks like when that part is completed, nice and secure. Right here I am attaching this middle support that goes through and allows you to attach the slats. These are two more supports that go in the middle, and you just want to go ahead and attach those bolts, and that is what that looks like. And now it's time for the slats. All the slats have been put in, and this is what it finally looks like. All right, so here is the assembled bed frame. As you can see, it's just beautiful. Kind of has like this royal touch on it with these holes right here. And as you can see, there's lots of storage space underneath the bed frame. It is nice and high off the ground. Additionally, it's super stable. I'm shaking it right now. There's no noise at all. So overall, this thing was very easy to assemble. It took me about a half hour to do it by myself. Additionally, it is also well built. Take a look at just how it looks again from these different sides here. The headboard is pretty much the same as the footboard in terms of assembling, and then it's just unfolding these pieces that go along the edges and then putting the slats on finally. Overall, I highly recommend this queen size metal bed frame. It is noiseless, it is durable, it is easy to assemble, and it looks magnificent. Thanks for watching.